it's me again, back with another video. This time it's the apartment tour that I have been promising you since probably before I moved in. Don't hold it against me. If you watched my apartment hunting video a while back, you know that I toured 7 different apartment buildings all over Oakland, and a lot of y'all actually seem to like this place. I'm not surprised now that I've been here for a while. I like it too, but I want to show you exactly what I did with it, how I put my touch on things and decorated from room to room. So if you're interested, stick around. I will link everything or almost everything that I can find in the description box below. And I also remind you what it looked like before I moved in. So let's go. So let's get into the living room, which I spend so much time in because of this little baby right here. This is my favorite thing probably that I have bought. This couch was well worth any investment that I put in, right? Because it is so comfortable. And I love that it adds a little pop of color to the space because as you can see, I decided to go with a lot of neutrals for everything else. But this little pop of green is my favorite thing here. And then you want to make your way over here to the other star of the show, the, main character besides the couch, the full body mirror, because what is a space without a good full body? Okay, but honestly, like who could resist walking through here and not doing a little checkup on it? A little, ooh, you looking like you like what you see, you gotta give the mirror a little bit of time real quick before you go sit down. So I love that, it pulls everything in and then it gives you a chance to just check yourself out before you head out the door as well. Right over here is my bar area. Can we just, can we give it up for the bar card? Can we give it up for the bar card? Because honestly, I gotta tell y'all something, like my priorities. So this area was originally supposed to be a working area for a desk, right? Because I'm working from home. And my ass, instead of making it a little working nook, I decided, wouldn't it be better as a bar area? Yeah. Right. So I now end up working on this bad baby back here or at my dining room table or in the bed if it's that type of day. I don't know. I pick anywhere else in this apartment to work but the place that the desk originally should have been. So my bad. But yeah, back to the happy place. So say what you want, but one of my favorite areas of the place is actually the bar area. And it's only because in addition to some good wine, a lot of things over here remind me of other things that are important to me. So in terms of like travel, I have my different bills from different places that I've been all over the world. And this is actually not all of them, but I can't find the rest of them. I think I left them at my mama's house. I don't know, I'm gonna have to go look for those. But regardless, I have bills from like my last few trips here. So we got the quetzales from Guatemala, we've got the CDs from Ghana, we have got some pounds from the UK, we've got some euros in there, some dollars, all the good stuff, right? So we've got that little piece of kind of like all of my trips, as well as my shot glasses, which I think at this point my collection is definitely somewhere near like 40 shot glasses from each different country and like other cities. It's getting kind of out of control at this point, but I have some of my favorite ones here. So like my shot glass from Brussels, my shot glass from, oh, this one's from Guatemala, so I actually just got this one. My Costa Rica shot glass, which is so cute and different, right? And then my Amsterdam shot glass, which I really like too. It's a little cutie. Yeah, So there's that, and then there's also my top shelf. We do top shelf a little bit differently over this way. So my top shelf is all Black owned spirits, right? And it's the good ones too. Like this 10 to 1 was a special collaboration with Uncle Nearest for like a Black History Month commemorative version of their room. So when I tell you, like, we not opening this bottle until we get to like a nice little occasion. I ordered 2 bottles, and the other one, like, yeah, it's worthwhile for me to save this one for a good occasion, okay? Also, we got a little bit of Lobos tequila, because what is a bar cart at my house without some good tequila and some reposado at that, right? I also really like these glasses. It was a cute little find from Amazon. It's in the shape of a woman's body, but I just think these are like the cutest thing to serve cocktails in. Aren't they cute? And then another thing that I really like about this bar cart that I decided to get was this particular shaker. I don't know if you can see it, but there are ingredients for like all of the main drinks all down the sides, and it shows you like exactly how much of which to put in it. So you got your pina coladas, your Mai Tais, your Sex on the Beach, your Cosmos, your margaritas. You do got a Bloody Mary in here, but like, we not doing that, not at this house. But yeah, all of the good stuff. It teaches you how to make them, and since I did not go get my official bartending license, we gonna need this shaker right here whenever I'm making any good cocktails. And then of course, you got all of your necessities, like anything you need to kind of like spice up a drink a little bit. We got all on the other shelves. So really like this area. And then from there, you pour yourself a little glass of wine and enjoy it at the dining room table. So this cute little set, actually it wasn't a set. This table came with 2 completely different chairs that I was just not filling. So I decided to grab these little babies to lighten up the space a little bit, but also just to draw a little bit of contrast. And I like how it turned out. I think it fits with the space pretty well. So now we finally made it back to the kitchen. And for the most part, this kitchen is, you know, everything it does, what it needs to do. My one little complaint, if I could pull one out, would be this backsplash, only because I feel like it just makes the space like all the way into the modern vibe, right? And I was trying to balance it out a little bit, but that's okay. Like, you can't complain about everything, because I do love the stainless steel appliances, like needed that. Honestly, y'all, I probably like nixed out a couple of my choices just over a white refrigerator. I'm sorry, but like Nene got in my head.
And it has a white refrigerator. I was like, oh, not a white refrigerator. Girl, please put your shoes on. Let's go find you a home, honey. Ooh. Lord.
Right? But let's just, you know, let's take a second to enjoy all of the other, you know, modern adds to this place. It's supposed to be a luxury apartment, I guess, because of the stainless steel. So yeah, I do like it for the most part. And then, you know, you got your little cookbooks over here. I actually don't use that cutting board. I have like some little like plastic ones that I actually don't mind knife marks all in the cabinet, right? That one is purely for decoration, so do not try it. But I really love the amount of storage space in this kitchen. Like, if you just look, it's storage galore, right? And I use every single cabinet, every single drawer. Like, you do not have to worry about me, okay? Oh, and then love my little like tea mug, right? Like, this is how you get the day started. Just remember to give yourself grace. Start off with that little affirmation so that you don't go into your day all stressed out, right? Get you a little tea, chill out for a little bit, grab your little fruit. That is my dad. Hey, Dad. You know, just set a little good vibe for yourself before you get the day started. And yeah, that is the kitchen. I almost forgot my friends up here. Everybody and their mama getting married this year, y'all. So got lots of weddings to attend, lots of weddings, but aren't they cute up there? So cute. And before I show y'all my bedroom, I just want to point out some of the little nods to travel that I have around the apartment. They're not huge things, right? Like, I didn't want to have like a completely travel themed place. But you know, it's obviously like a huge part of my life. So there's a couple of things that are just really nice to have around to remind me of my love of travel. One of those things is my world clocks. I love my world clocks, y'all. So as soon as you come in the house, you see the clocks, right? And yes, they are on time, I believe, as long as, you know, ain't nobody's power went out or nothing. But the cities that I have here, most I've either lived in or I want to go to really, really, really bad. I know there's no correlation between those two, but San Francisco, we're just gonna act like this encompasses the Bay altogether. So that would be this place. Lived in London for a year, lived in New Delhi for a few months, and then Tokyo. I just really want to go to Tokyo really, really bad. I don't know how they made it up here, but I needed somewhere else, like from around the world, and Tokyo it was. Some of the other nods I have to travel are this picture I took from a window seat coming out over Chicago at sunset. Two of my favorite things, the city of Chicago and sunset and traveling, so three of my favorite things. Also these volcanic rocks that I just got from my last trip in Guatemala. So these both came off the volcano that I hiked. And then of course these babies that I got from my trip to Albuquerque, had to put them in here, so I have them right underneath my TV. And then of course the different currencies and the shot glasses that I was telling y'all about earlier. To keep my bedroom nice and simple. One challenge already was figuring out how I was gonna fit everything in here. I mean, like at first I had this bed facing the opposite way along that back wall, and when I tell y'all there was no space at all to move around in here, like none. So finally I figured out that this was the great orientation that I had been looking for. Gave me enough room to put another full body mirror in the corner, which you can never have enough full body mirrors. But I just didn't want to do too much in this space, hence the blank wall. I just wanted to keep it like very calm and cool in here. So this is what I decided to do with the space, and I love it. So I have my little end table when you first come in. I've got my Bible right here by the bed, so there's no excuse for me to act like I didn't know I needed to read it, okay? And then I've got this little tweet here, do not judge me, but pro tip, always have a vacation book so you have something to look forward to and an excuse to go shopping. Okay, they did not lie with that one. So I usually do always have a vacay book, and that tweet felt like it was speaking to me. Then in the corner, of course, this mirror. Just got a couple of like necessities lined up right there. I actually really love this daily prayer poster that I got. So it's nice to have it there right when I wake up in the corner. And then of course another fake plant, because your girl kills plants, y'all. Like I tried to be a plant mama. I tried to be a good one. Please help me out. But until then, we will be dealing with the fake plants. So this one, the one by the bar, yeah, I can't do it. And then my other favorite part of the apartment, drumroll please, my closet. I needed every single inch, right? So luckily there was a lot of space in here for me to put my shoes, for me to line up my purses right here. Do not judge me for the color coding, because it helps me. I need to be able to find things quick and in a hurry, right? So got all my stuff in here, some extra pillows to switch out for the couch, more shoes. Do not judge my bears that I wear around the house, because these are the comfiest things you will ever put on your feet, okay? And then of course a little bit more organization. Was looking for my laptop. It was in here the whole time. That's crazy. But yeah, I got all of my sunglasses. I'm obviously a sunglass hoarder, and my jewelry. So this is my closet space, and I absolutely love it. It is just, it's me. It's me. Lastly, we got the bathroom area. I didn't do much to it, but I wanted to add like a couple of little touches. So you got your little message to see first thing in the morning. Got a cute little setup here with my praying hands from India a few years back, and then a couple of other little decorative things. And then in the back, we got our washer dryer combo. As much as you would think that, like, you know, at least half the apartments might have one, no, this is a luxury right here. So I did not want to be spending $1.25 every time I wanted to do a load of laundry, and trust, I end up doing a lot of laundry even though it's just me. So having this right here in the bathroom is super clutch. And this bathroom is not complete without my giant tub behind me. It is just perfect for relaxing. Throw on, you know, a nice vibing playlist, bring out the candles, dim the lights, and you got yourself a little mood. So love my big tub as well. And then I got my little, like, you know, in case of emergencies basket. If you get over here and my girls are lacking, got the goods for you. A little spray, don't leave my bathroom stinking. And oh, and then this rug. This is probably the most DIY you're gonna get out of me, because this is a piece of the rug from the living room, if you remember. So literally it was just too big for the living room, cut off the edge, did not have to buy a new rug for the bathroom. So you can see, you know, got a couple of rugged edges there, don't pay no attention, but it works well for the space, if I do say so myself, and it just, you know, adds a little nice little touch. So that's it. That's the bathroom. All right, y'all, that is a wrap on the apartment tour video. I hope that you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed having you and showing you around. Of course, I'm not always on the go. So when I'm not on a trip or out exploring the city, I am usually right here on this couch. If you enjoyed the video, let me know by leaving a comment and liking down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe, because you know there's more content coming and you know you want to watch it. Until next time, keep chasing what's for you. Bye.